When it comes to home improvements in Miami, one of the most important aspects to consider is the impact of the local climate. With its year-round humidity, frequent rainfall, and salty ocean air, Miami's weather can take a toll on your home's exterior. Replacing your doors is a great way to enhance both the aesthetic appeal and the functionality of your home, but choosing the right materials is key to ensuring that they can withstand the challenges posed by Miami's unique climate. Here are some of the best materials for door replacement in Miami's humid environment. Fiberglass doors. Durable and low maintenance. Fiberglass doors are one of the top choices for homeowners in humid areas like Miami. This material is exceptionally durable, resistant to warping, rotting, and cracking, which makes it ideal for areas that experience high moisture levels. Unlike wood, fiberglass won't absorb moisture, preventing issues like swelling, mildew growth, or mold that are common in humid climates. Fiberglass doors also provide excellent insulation, helping to maintain the interior temperature of your home, which is a huge advantage in Miami's hot, sticky weather. Additionally, they can be designed to mimic the look of wood, giving you the beauty of natural materials with none of the maintenance drawbacks. Steel doors. Strength and security. Steel doors are another excellent choice for Miami's humid climate. They are incredibly strong and offer superior security, which can be an important consideration for homeowners looking for added protection. Steel is highly resistant to the elements, including moisture and humidity, and unlike wood, it won't warp, crack, or swell when exposed to water. One of the added benefits of steel doors is that they can be fitted with insulation, which helps to keep the temperature inside your home more stable. This feature is especially valuable in Miami's sweltering summer months, as it helps reduce the burden on your air conditioning system. Steel doors also require very little maintenance, making them a great option for homeowners who want a reliable, long-lasting solution. Vinyl doors. Budget-friendly and weather-resistant. For homeowners on a budget, vinyl doors are an excellent option. Vinyl is highly resistant to moisture, which makes it perfect for humid climates like Miami's. It will not rot, peel, or fade over time, even with constant exposure to heat and moisture. Vinyl is also a low-maintenance material, just an occasional wipe down to keep it looking fresh. Vinyl doors come in a variety of styles and finishes, so you can choose one that complements your home's exterior. Additionally, vinyl is energy efficient, offering good insulation properties to keep your home cooler during Miami's hot, sticky summers. Aluminum doors. Lightweight and corrosion-resistant. Aluminum doors are a lightweight yet durable option for homes in Miami. These doors are naturally resistant to corrosion and rust, making them ideal for homes near the coast, where salty air can cause damage to other materials over time. Aluminum can withstand the humidity without warping or deteriorating, and it is a great choice for modern, sleek home designs. One downside to aluminum doors is that they can be prone to denting, but with proper care and attention, they can last for years. They also offer a high level of security and are energy efficient, especially when combined with insulation. Impact-resistant doors. Protection against storms. Give Miami's susceptibility to hurricanes and tropical storms. Investing in impact-resistant doors is a smart choice. These doors are specifically designed to withstand extreme weather conditions, including high winds and flying debris. Impact-resistant doors are made from materials like reinforced fiberglass or laminated glass, offering both protection and durability. Not only do they provide security during storm season, but impact-resistant doors also improve insulation and energy efficiency, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. These doors may be more expensive than standard options, but the peace of mind they provide is invaluable, especially in a climate where storms are a regular threat. Conclusion: when replacing your doors in Miami, it's essential to select a material that can stand up to the city's humid climate while offering durability, security, and low maintenance. Fiberglass, steel, vinyl, and aluminum doors all have their unique benefits, and choosing the right one for your home will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for energy efficiency, storm protection, or a sleek modern look, these materials will ensure your doors remain functional and beautiful for years to come. By selecting the best materials suited for Miami's climate, you can enjoy a lasting investment that enhances both the curb appeal and the comfort of your home.